Hey, GRP students, Mr. Naimatsu, kind of with the overview of the natural disasters part one. So in this unit, we'll be focusing on the causes and the effects of natural disasters. That's what we'll be spending on this week. Next week, we're going to be actually doing an activity and a project regarding the cause effects and helping you prepare for natural disasters, which do happen here in San Diego. Most common ones are wildfires and earthquakes and perhaps localized flooding too when it rains a lot. So those are usually the three types of natural disasters that we can see. And sometimes with flooding and wildfires, you also do get some kind of like mudslides or land debris. So those are the ones that you might want to pay specific attention to. That's kind of the goal of this class, is to teach you not only the causes and the effects, but also ways in which you can prepare. So you can see some of those items right here. Just going day by day. Today, you're going to be reviewing the Quizlet. And so these are the directions, but we have a Quizlet right here. I'll go ahead and click and open. There's approximately, I think, 15 terms in here. So just to get you familiar with the unit, go ahead and look at these 15 terms and kind of learn on the other side what they mean, and choose 3 of the terms that you learned and go ahead and post those to the discussion board on Schoology. And I'll go ahead and open that right now. And I apologize if that wasn't open. But you will be posting those items right here on the discussion board. Next, there's a Pear Deck assignment. So you'll be getting a Pear Deck right here, and that Pear Deck assignment has some questions and has some audio by me, just kind of reviewing a slideshow called Our Earth, which kind of talks about the structure of the Earth and kind of the major causes of natural disasters, which happen underneath the Earth's surface and also up in our atmosphere. So you'll learn that. There's a YouTube playlist that you'll be looking at for National Geographic. There'll be a part 1 and part 2. In part 1, you're going to be doing tsunamis, earthquakes, volcanoes, floods, and avalanches. There's a graphic organizer with the videos. And then in part 2, you'll be doing landslides, wildfires, hurricanes, and tornadoes. So same. The directions are going to be exactly the same. So you see it's both 1 and 2. You'll be completing basically a graphic organizer using YouTube. Our final activity for this week will be a literacy assessment. Notice it says assessment, not development. This time I'm trying to a little bit test you a little bit more. So the video that I'll be providing is not going to have a lot of detailed information. Your best is actually look at that, but if you do need some more information, if you remember, we did do a practice on this on education. We did Why Care? And so there is our review as we gave all the direct answers. We have the same skills of marking the prompt, of rewriting the prompt into a question, of organizing your thoughts using a graphic organizer or mind map, and then going into your paragraph. Those are all the same steps, but obviously the content is different. Last time is about education. This one's on natural disasters. So I really want to point out right now in this video that there's going to be a lot of limited information in this video right here that says cause and effects of natural disasters. There's a little bit more details in education, but as it says here, please note that this video is when done for Why Care. When we talk about education, it is not specifically for natural disasters. So if you watch this, it's going to have a different prompt. I'll be talking about different things. However, the ideas of how to approach a prompt, which is an essay question, how to organize your thoughts and rewrite the prompt into questions and mark it, all of those skills are still going to be the same, just using natural disasters instead of education. So I'll make that clear also in these other videos I always have, but I just want to make it clear in this weekly announcement. Going back over here to Schoology, as you can see, on this day, you'll have a Pear Deck. You'll be turning these items, which are graphic organizers. And in a second, I'll be updating the last assignment, which will be a PDF of the prompt, and you'll be marking it using Kami. And again, similar to what we did multiple times already in this class, using Kami as a tool for us to organize our thoughts. All right, students. Well, that's a quick overview. Remember, going back over here, sorry for that, was a weird hand wave, but remember that each day I will have overview videos that analyze each one. So please make sure specifically look at this one, each one underneath, as I kind of lead you through each day's activities. And if you have any questions, please email myself or your teacher. And I really hope you enjoy this unit. I really do. I'm a I'm going to say, quote unquote, a nerd about weather, and as a surfer, I'm kind of into it. So hopefully, I really like these types of videos in National Geographic. So I really enjoy this unit, and so hopefully you do as well. All right, take care.